Here. I'm on a scooter. Oh my god, I love the scooter. But look, I'm like an inch taller on a scooter.
An inch.
Who I am. What are we doing?
How are you undercover?
Oh, I'm undercover because you can't see me. Wait, okay. That's like being invisible. I'm not invisible.
Well, it's really dark.
I'm undercover. I'm undercover because you can't see me. Look.
Banana.
It's no. Anyways, here's my left foot. Here's my right foot. That one is a shoe. This one's a sock. It's a sock. And then I turn. What are you doing? And then I turn. And then I turn. And then I turn this way. Hey, it's a J! Why is there a J at your fridge? There's nobody even here with the name J. Oh, other than me. Well,
You're giving it away.
It says weed.
We.
It says weed. Who puts weed on this? Weed girl. I'm not. I don't. Yeah. Not that.
Jennifer.
What? Oh, I fell. Can you help me?
Yeah.
Bob H. What was the word? Cush it.
You just did.
Cush it. Wah. What?
You said rah. There's a banana in the video.
Stop making me laugh. Oh my god, okay, it's in here. I spray some perfume.
That wasn't perfume.
Oh my god, I think that's like some kind of cleaner. What did your mom even use that for? Why did, there's all like pizza on the counter? Oh! We have peanut butter. I know you. What? Oh my god, you have that heavy peanut butter. Is this peanut butter? Peanut butter. Creamy peanut butter. I need to get familiar with the guys' house.
This is not funny.
You know what? Shut up. Give me a chair. I'm sorry. That was... It's okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to break your picture. Okay, it's okay. We're okay. Look. Hey, I'm back. Phone and peanut butter. What could be better? Why do you guys freeze the fruit?
That's tortilla chips. No. Fine, banana.
I don't want banana.
No.
No. Stay. Ew, what? Oh my god, what is that?
Oh.
I'm not eating that. I'm not. Wait.
Just scrape it off.
Ew, oh my god, it's like Jello.
Jello peanut butter.
Come over here. Look. Like.
That's peanut butter.
That is not peanut butter.
No. I don't like glue. Oh, great. You got it on the table. And more of it on the table. Oh, you put it on the fruit.
That doesn't smell that bad, but I'm not eating this peanut butter. It was going to be all interesting, but...
Wait, mix it around, see what color it is.
No, I'm not going to do that. It's a waste of spoon. And I'm going to use the spoon later. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not using the spoon later. I'm going to beat you later. I am running away for another life. Another life. Oh my god! Wait. Look what we have! Wait, take.
Oh, what if there's jelly on them?
Says what?
No.
Oh, that one's a big. Oh no, it's not a big one. It's just one. These ones kind of stink.
They smell bad. No.
Alright.
Oh.
Ready?
Ready to eat a pickle? Sure.
That looks so. It's gonna look so wrong. That's not bad.
Are you just gonna suck on it?
Yeah.
You like pickle juice? Me too.
I don't eat the whole thing, so.
You forgot your mustache. There.
Oh my god, it's really sour.
Hey, where you
I'm sorry. Just playing things around.
go? Remember how you fell off the chair? Can I pause it?
No. Oh, crap.
This video's already 7 minutes.
Oh, now we got close the cell. You hear that? You hear that?